The University of Bologna, founded in 1088, is one of the oldest universities in the world. Hi, I'm Julia. Are you ready to apply to the University of Bologna? Before applying, you need to understand the eligibility criteria. Domestic Italian students need a document preparation is one of the most time-consuming aspects of your application. Now let's talk about the financial aid options available to you. The University of Bologna, as one of Italy's student capitals, Bologna offers plenty of affordable accommodation options, with many students living near the university or in student dormitories. Once you've been accepted into the University of Bologna, the next step is to prepare for your arrival. Your services designed to help you prepare for your future. The tuition programs and sustainable transportation options like bike sharing programs and electric buses.
All the texts you were wanting for pace make out highlights your motivation for applying and take the time to review everything carefully and don't rush the process.